Hi guys, today we're opening Kinetic
Sand!
I have no idea what this is about. I just saw it in the store today and
I'm a little
I thought,
scared.
You're scared? I thought let's open it and see. Show the box again.
It's Kinetic Sand, so under age of 3, you can't use this. And what they say with this Kinetic Sand is that it's easy, like you don't add it with water, and it's
Squeezable sand. You can't put it down. So let's see. And it says this is actually natural sand made with natural sand. Never dries out. So let's see what this is all about.
I think I
We need to open it, okay? So my little friend will open it and then we'll see what's inside. And always ask permission if you plan to use any sharp objects like scissors. And now the bag is open. Let's bring it out and see what we have.
And it's easy to clean up, so don't worry, guys.
Okay, we'll see.
Ah, it feels so soft.
How does it feel? It feels soft?
Yeah. Not that messy, actually. It feels like Play-Doh, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's take it out. Let's take, yeah.
Yeah, just dump it all out.
Okay.
And then when we store it, we'll have to just put it in plastic.
Or a container, they said. I'm poking it like it's slime.
How's it feel?
It feels like so squeezable. Feels so soft, right?
It feels like sand that doesn't fall apart. It just feels like sand.
Just doesn't fall apart. But it feels like Play-Doh to me just a little. See, guys, it's going to be easy to clean up.
Very nice. So what can you do with it?
You can make stuff with it. I want to see if I... See, you can make a ball. I can make...
Bring it into the camera. Yeah.
It's
You can
so...
make a ball. Looks nice.
So soft.
Okay, let's make some balls. Let's do something.
Okay. I'm gonna...
It's sand, but it stays together.
That is so cool. Clean, 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 clean. So, I'll make a gigantic ball.
Pretend you're at the beach and you're making something.
This does not feel like regular slime. Sand. I'm supposed to say slime. It's actually just soft.
So how does it feel?
It feels so soft. I love this part. Like,
The hand that's in the front, move that one, and just keep the hand in the back so we can see that. Yeah.
it's fun to poke. Hold on. Watch this. Yeah. I might make I'm making a tall building there with some windows after. Or a mountain. I should do a mountain. I like a mountain. Oh. Guys, you have to buy this. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. It feels like heaven. See, guys, see your hands? Watch this. And see the counter, guys? Doop, 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 doop. Or slide your hands and clean it up.